Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss how we can create a legend in Revit. So let's start. Right now, I just created a dummy project. We do not have anything in this project, but the template that I'm using that is for MEP services. So for example, if you're working for HVAC service or electrical or piping whatsoever service in which you are working, definitely the project setup will be created based on that service only. So, for example, if you're working on mechanical service, so the template will be used either MEP or the mechanical one. So, like that way, we just started for MEP Revit template and we just created this dummy project as of now. So, for example, I just wanted to create a legend for our sheets and those kind of stuff. How I can create that one. So, I'll go in my project browser. I can see legend tab right here. I'll right click on that one, click on new legend. I can name the legend. Like right now, I'm just going for legend only. Scale definitely I can select, but right now I'm going for 1:50. Now, this kind of empty screen you'll be seeing when you create a new legend. So let's start how we can add the components inside this one. So for that one, for example, I just want to add air terminal symbols, mechanical equipment symbols, because I just want to show how HVAC components will be look like if you are looking from the top view. Okay, so for that one, I'll go in annotate tab and I'll click on right here components. When I'll click on components, right now you can see the air terminal is visible. This is exhaust air terminal based on the lining you can see. And if you want to change this one, you can change from right here as well. So right now let's go for supplier at the first place. So I'll go for this one, supplier 600 by 600 phase and 300 by 300 connection, because I'm using, for example, I'm using this one in my project. And I can go for further as well. Let me go for the another one, 3, 4. I'm not using the same one for multiple locations because it'll be very tricky. But I just copied this one so that I can change from right here itself. What it is, we just want to give the proper name of this one so that whenever somebody looks and the layout and will see the legend as well, he can correlate each other very well. Like if he sees this one from the top view, means the floor plan, he'll be able to see what it is. So this is supply air terminal. Okay. Right now the text looks very smaller, so I'll go for 5 probably. Yeah, it looks fine now. Now let me go for the another one as well. The next one, definitely you can arrange based on your aesthetic things, but I just wanted to make this video how we can create legions only. So now this one I just wanted to convert to another one. So for example, I want to go for example, return air duct probably. So I'll go for this one, and you can change the name right here, return air terminal. Return air terminal. Definitely you can go for further. Okay, I'm not going for the air terminals right now. I'm going for mechanical equipment probably. So let me go for air handling unit, AHU. So this is my AHU, so I'll go for air handling unit. Definitely you can describe based on if you are using different kind of air handling units in your project. Now the last one, for example, let me go for anything else. Let's go for electrical fixtures, electrical equipments probably. So this is my electrical equipment, and the name of this electrical equipment is dry type transformer. So let me go for transformer only this time. Transformer. Yeah. So yeah, that's how we can create this one. And definitely if you want to create the box as well, so you can create the lining as well. So let me create the lining right here like this, and definitely we can segregate based on this, like this this definitely you can arrange. So let me move it a little bit at the upward direction, And let me add one more row right here so that it'll be fulfilled properly. Let me copy this one, or we can go right here in components again, and I can drop it down. And additionally, let me show you, we can also go for, any of the section views and those kind of stuff. So for example, I just want to show the air terminal from the section side. So also I can show that one as well. So this is the side view of the air terminal. Additionally, if you want to show any of the components, any view, for example, let me show, the front view of air terminal probably, or let's go for VAV. I think VAV will come in mechanical equipment category. So let me go for VAV unit. So this will be the side view of the VAV, and like that we can, have this one. So this will be my VAV, or variable air volume. That is fine, but I'm going for VAV as of now. And at the top of this one, I just want to add the tag, the title. So the title will be definitely legend. So I'll go for 5 only, but this time I just want to create bold. So I'll go for duplicate, bold. Okay. And yeah, it's bold right here. Okay. And okay. Now I'll type right here, uh, legend. Perfect. I can make it at center, and I'll trim the lines so that it'll be good. If text, if you find like text is very smaller, you can go for further 7 probably, and I can create bold for that one as well. So right now that's fine, but let me go for bold for this one as well. 7 bold, and stretch it bold. Perfect. Okay, fine. Now, for example, I just created this dummy sheet. Right now, I'm not adding any of the views because I did not create any of the services in this one. But let's add the legend in the sheet. So I'll drag the legend right here. I want to add the legend right here. Definitely, if I don't want to name the title, because I already added the legend at the top. So that is how we can create a legion for a particular sheet and for a particular project as well. And definitely we can create multiple legions as well for a single project. So right now, for example, this is for HVAC. In the same way, you can create the legions for electrical, services, and plumbing services and whatsoever. So thanks for guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's meet in my next video.